Completed, my dear children? Do this question fast.
Sir, 57 is the answer.
50?
7.
Is it right? Yes, very good, Sri Darshan. What is the answer?
Sir, plus 63.
Very good, Sri Darshan. Very good.
Sir, 63, sir.
Yes, very good, Bibina. What about others? What will you do here first? Minus 7 plus 71 minus of
Plus.
minus 8 plus 3. Yes or no? Minus 4.
Minus 2, sir.
Otherwise, previously I told you how to remove the brackets. Brackets means into. Keep this point in your mind. When you are removing the brackets, keep this point in your mind. Brackets are considered as into. So minus 7. What do you get here? Plus 71. Okay. Plus 3. Plus into minus here.
Minus 4, sir.
Minus 4. So here there are 4 numbers. If you observe in this line, there are 4 numbers, namely minus 7, plus 71, plus 3, minus 4. Now classify, divide, segregate them as positive numbers and negative numbers. If you get a mathematical expression like this, some numbers are linked like this. In that case, we have to segregate them into positive numbers and negative numbers. So what is the first number here? Minus 7. We should write under 7 minus. Here plus 71. We should write under plus sign. Here plus 3. We should write under plus sign. Just below 71. Here minus 4. So we write under the minus sign just below 7. Here in this plus box, there are 2 numbers. In the minus box also, you got 2 numbers. First we simplify. Simplifying means here adding the numbers. Remember this point, not subtraction. We add all the numbers which are written under this plus box. We should add all the numbers which are written under the minus box. Then what will you get here? 74. Here we get 11. We simplified. Simplified means all the numbers under the plus box were added. All the numbers under the minus box are also added. We got only 2 numbers. Under the plus box, only 1 number, 74. Under the minus box, only 1 number, that is 11. After this, after getting this step, I told you, we have to subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. Remember this rule. Just like a formula, subtract a smaller number from the bigger number. What is the smaller number here? 11. So you have to write that smaller number right below the bigger number. Now subtract. Here only subtraction, not addition or multiplication or division. Remember this operation. Here remember this operation, addition. In this box also we should use the addition operation. But here we have to use a subtraction. So 4 minus 1, 3. 6 minus 7 minus 1. Under the plus box, we got the final answer. We got the final answer under plus box. So answer is 63. Got this point, my children?
Yes, sir.
Understood? Like this question will be given. Like this kind of questions will be given. Some numbers will be given like this: simplify or find the value of. Like this, a mathematical expression will be given. Got this point, my children? Not exactly these numbers. Not exactly these numbers. Don't expect the same numbers. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Next, addition of fractions, like fractions, we have already discussed in the bridge course. Addition of like fractions, subtraction of like fractions, addition of unlike fractions, subtraction of unlike fractions. Which type of fractions these are? If you observe this mathematical expression,
Sir, like fractions.
they are like
Like
fractions. Because what is the reason behind this one? We are telling these are like fractions. Any
So
reason?
the denominators are same.
Very good. That is the reason. Denominators are same. That is why these two fractions are called like fractions. In the case of adding or subtracting like fractions, very easy. First, we write this denominator as it is. Whatever the denominators are there in the like fractions, we write the same denominator as a denominator for the resultant fraction. In the numerator, we write the first numerator as it is. We keep here, if there is a plus sign, we keep here plus sign. If there is a minus sign, we keep here minus sign. So plus. After that, second numerator. If you observe the numerator, there are two numbers. They are connected with the plus sign. The two numbers are connected with the plus sign. Means what should we do here? What is the operation should we do here?
Add 2 and 3.
Addition. Plus means addition. So 2 plus 3 is 5 by 7. Okay, my children. This kind of question will also be given. Addition of like fractions. Addition of like fractions. Next, addition of unlike fractions. If you observe this question, not only two fractions, there may be three fractions or four unlike fractions may be given. Not only two unlike fractions, we can extend like this also. Like this. Okay. Now, simplify. They will ask you, simplify 2 by 7 plus 7 by 3 plus 1 by 2. Or find the value of 2 by 7 plus 7 by 3 plus 1 by 2. In this case, if you observe, these three fractions are connected with the plus sign. Means we have to add them. Yes or no? But if you observe these fractions, they are not like fractions. Why they are not like fractions?
Denominators is not same.
Yes, very good. Very good, Janej. Very good, Nikita. They are not like fractions because denominators are not same. In this case, first of all, first step. What is the first step? LCM.
Sir, find LCM.
You have to find LCM of the denominators. LCM of 2, 3, 7. We can write these numbers in the ascending order, not only in the same order. No need to write these denominators in the same order. In general, we write the denominators here in the ascending order. Smaller number here 2, after that 3, after that 7. Now we have to find LCM of these three numbers. We have already discussed in the bridge course how to find LCM of numbers in the division method. Yes or no? 2, 3, 7. This is called a division method. First of all, we have to select first prime number. We concentrate only on prime numbers in finding LCM or in finding HCF. First we concentrate, we use only, okay, very good Bibina, very good. So first prime number is 2. So 2 table here to divides, we have to select a prime number which divides at least one number, at least one of these numbers. So 2 divides 2, yes or no? So we can choose this prime number here, 2 1 times. Here we cannot divide 3 by 2. So we write that number as it is. We carry down that number as it is. Similarly, we cannot divide. We should not write here 3.5. We should not write here decimal points. Keep this point in your mind, my dear children. We should not write decimal numbers. Okay. After that, we take 3. Second prime number is 3. We can divide this number 3 by this number. So we can choose 3, 1. We write this number 1 as it is. We write 3 ones are 3. Here we can't divide 7 by 3. So we write that number as it is. After that, here only one number is left, 7. That is also a prime number. So 7, 1 time, 1 time, 1 time. We write these numbers. If you are not able to divide any number, we carry down that number in the next line as it is. Okay. So we got all 1, 1, 1. Up to this step, we have to proceed the division. We have to continue the division. Okay, my dear children. Therefore, LCM of 2, 3, 7 is equal to 2 into 7. That is 42. That is 42. Okay, my dear children. Right. Now, after finding the LCM, what should we do? We have to convert these unlike fractions into like fractions. Then only it is easier to us to add or subtract. So here we write, we draw a big line. We have to draw a big line like this. Whatever the LCM we got here, we should write them. After that, what is the first fraction here? 2 by 7. 2 by 7. We have to take the 7 denominators only. We have to take 7 table. 7 table. How many times goes in 42? In 42, how many times it goes?
Sir, 6.
6 times. So write that number 6 into. Okay, we have to find this number, how many times it goes. Into, what is the numerator here? 2. We write number 2 as it is. 2. That is the first number. Plus, come to the second fraction. What is the denominator here? 3. So we have to consider 3 table. Here denominator is 3. We have to consider 3 table. How many times this 3 table goes in the 42? In this number 42. How many times?
Sir, 14.
3?
14, sir.
14 times. 3, 14 times. Remember these steps, my children. Into, we write the numerator. Whatever the numerator there, we write this numerator as 7. So this is the second number. Plus, so next come to the third fraction. Here denominator is 2. Denominator is 2. We have to consider this table, 2 table. How many times?
2 into 21.
21 times. 21 into whatever the numerator, 1. We write that numerator 1. So 3 fractions, we wrote 3 numbers. 6 into 2 is 1 number, plus 14 into 7 is a second number, plus 21 into 1. Okay. Now let us simplify numbers within the brackets. First, that is a rule. We have 6 to 12 plus what will get?
19.
19?
98, sir.
98 plus
Second 21.
21. If we observe the numerator, three numbers are connected with the plus sign. So let us add all these numbers. 12, 98, 21.
Sir, answer is 131.
1
31,
Sir,
sir.
131.
by 42. That is equal to. Got this point, my children? In this PA1 examination, this kind of questions also will be asked you. Find the value of or simplify or find the value of. Okay, my children. Right.
Okay, sir.
Now, HCF. HCF. We have discussed how to find HCF. HCF of given numbers. Do you remember that my point, my children? Suppose 12 and 15. How to find HCF of these numbers? Can you find the HCF of these numbers, my dear children?
Yes, sir.
We have discussed two methods. That is, first one is factors method, and the second one is prime factorization method. You can use any method, whatever the method is easier to you. Find HCF of 12 and 5. Now do this question, my dear children, and tell me answer. Krish, turn on your camera. Ganesh. Yeah, now do that. Find the HCF of 12 and 15. 12 and 15. Find the HCF of 12 and 15.
3.
Sir, 3.
Very good. Which method you followed, Bibina, to
Sir,
find
prime factorization method, sir.
prime factorization method? Okay, very good. All of you followed the same prime factorization
Yes, sir.
method?
Yes, sir.
See here, I will explain you how to find HCF of two numbers. We write this 12, first number, as a product of prime numbers. So 2 6 times, just like LCM, 2 3 times. We got all the prime numbers here. If you observe outside, yes or no? So 2 into 3. Next to 15. Similarly, we find the prime factorization of number 15. Here 2 table is not possible, so 3 table. Don't go directly 5 table. Don't jump into the bigger number. Remember this point, my children. Don't go to the bigger number directly. First to step by step. If a smaller number is not possible, then you go to the next number. Okay, so 3 5 times. So 3 into 5. 3 into 5. Now, after writing the prime factorization of the two numbers or three numbers, sometimes they will give three numbers also. Find HCF of. So in that cases, we have to write prime factorization of the given numbers like this, and we have to round up the common numbers. Here 2 is there, here 2 is not there. If you observe this line and there this line, second line, first line, here 2 is there, here 2 is not there, but here 3 is there, here 3 is also there. So only one number is common. Therefore, HCF of 12, 15 is 3 only. Sometimes we get to two numbers in common. 2 numbers in common. In that case, we have to multiply the 2 numbers here. Okay, I will take another example to find HCF. Suppose HCF of Find HCF of 10, 30 and 50. Can you find this HCF of these three numbers, my dear children? HCF of 10, 30 and 50. HCF of 10, 30 and 50. Are you finding HCF? Krish? Turn on your camera. Bibina? Ganesh? Princeton?
Sir, 10.
Very good. Ganesh? Find HCF of 10, 30 and 50. Can you show me your answer, my dear Ganesh? Please show me your answer.
The 10, sir.
Show me your answer, Bibina. Show me your answer. Oh, okay. Okay. Okay.
Sir, I think you'll be not see.
Not visible. It is not visible. Okay, Sridarshan. Okay. What is the HCF, Sridarshan? Yes, HCF of 10, 30 and 50 is 10.
Sir,
I will show you how the HCF of 10, 50, 30. See here. 2 into 5. Yes or no? Prime factorization of 10. What is the prime factorization of 30? Right here, 2, 15
sir, 2,
times.
3, 5.
3, 5 times. 2 into 3 into 5. Next to 50. 2, 25 times. Don't jump into the 5 table or 10 table. Previously I told you, remember this point. Here 50 is there. Don't go to directly 5 table. Okay, my children, please remember 2 table only. If it is failed, 2 table fails, next we go to the 3 table. Next we go to the 5 table. In this way, prime numbers only. Do you remember the prime numbers from 1 to 100? Do you remember the prime numbers from 1 to 100? My dear children?
Yes, sir.
Please remember that list. 25 prime numbers are there between 1 to 100. Between 1 to 100, there are 25 prime numbers. Remember that list of 25 prime numbers from 1 to 100. Okay, now next to 5 table. So 2 into 5 into 5. In these three lines, round off the common numbers. Here 2 is common, here 2. In the 3 lines, the number should be in the 3 lines. Here 5 is there, 5 is there, 5 is there. See here, 5, 5, 5. Sir, HCF of 10, 30 and 50 is equal to, in this case, we got 2 numbers in common. In all these 3 lines, 2 numbers are in common. So we multiply the 2 numbers. 2 into 5, that is 10. Understood this point, my dear children?
Yes, sir.
Right. Next,
Yes, sir.
what, my dear Samik? What, my dear Samik?
Sir.
Do you want to say anything?
No, sir, I'm
Do you
not
want?
telling anything. No,
Okay.
sir, no, sir.
Next, come to next point, LCM. LCM. LCM of 10, 30, 50. See this question, my dear, in the previous question also I took these three numbers 10, 30 and 50. But for these three numbers we found HCF. Now find HCF of LCM of 10, 30 and 50. Can you find LCM of 10, 30 and 50 by division method? For the same three numbers, 10, 30 and 50. Will you find LCM? Will you find LCM of these three numbers? Try this. This type of question also will be asked you in this PA1 exam. Finding LCM of given three numbers or four numbers. Here we have taken three numbers only, 10, 30 and 50. Find the LCM of these three numbers. Srujana, turn on your camera. Samik, Jasleen, Nikita.
Sir, 150.
1,
Sir, 150.
150. Okay. Other children?
Sir, 210.
210. See, Nikita told 210. Bibina told 150. Once check your answers, my dear children.
Sir, answer is 150.
Nikita wants to check your answer. Bibina and Sridarshan told, Bibina and Sridarshan told that LCM of these three numbers is 150. But you told 210. Once to check your answer, Nikita. Once to check your answer. You have done mistakes somewhere. Check your answer. Find out the error.
Yes, sir. That is 150.
Yes, my dear
Sir,
Samir.
150 only.
Yes, Nikita.
150.
Okay, okay, Srijana. Okay, Ma. What about Eileen, Mahima? Are you finding or not?
So I'm finding only. I'll let you know the answer soon.
Ah, okay. Tell me. Okay, find out. Eileen, you also? Eileen, are you finding or not? Eileen? This is the problem. That is why I'm telling you, turn on your camera. See, I don't know she is online or not. Eileen, not responding. Eileen, I will remove the meeting. I will remove you from this meeting, Eileen. Yes, my dear children, I removed Eileen because she has not turned on her camera. I don't know she is online or not. She is not responding as well. She is not responding to my question as well. That is why I removed her from the meeting. At least you have to respond to my question quickly. If there is any problem in your camera, at least then I come to know, yes, you are online. You are paying attention. Otherwise, how can I understand you are online, you are paying attention? How to know it? Mahima, have you found LCM?
Sir, 1 minute.
Yes. Okay. Take your own time, but fast. But make it fast, Mahima. See here, Mahima responded. Mahima responded well. Shanti, are you finding LCM? Have you
Yes,
found what you got, LCM? What is the LCM of 10, 30 and 50? Shanti?
Sir, finding 1 minute.
Oh, okay. Make it fast, Amma. Make it fast. You should be very strong enough in tables. You should be very strong enough in tables, 2 table, 3 table. Previously, I told you at least you should be very strong enough from 2 table to 10 table, at least. Not up to 20 table, at least from 2 table to 10 table. Most of the questions were based on from 2 table to 10 table, even for cancellation. If you are not strong, then it takes more time. Naturally, it takes more time. See here, Bibina and Sridarshan did that very fast because they're strong enough. They're strong in the tables. Because of that, they did the question very fast. Mahima, not yet completed. Tell me the answer.
So the LCM is 150.
Very good. Krish,
Thank you, sir.
okay, ma. Have you found?
sir.
Krish, what is LCM? What is LCM of 3 numbers?
Sir, 150.
Very good. See here this screen, my dear children. Again, I am explaining you how to find LCM of the 3 numbers or 4 numbers or more than the 3 numbers also. We follow the same procedure. There is nothing different. First, we have to choose prime numbers. Only prime numbers. Because 10, 30, 50 is there, don't take directly 10 table. Don't go to the 10 table directly. Please remember this point, my children. Okay, we start. How do you study your classes? First you study first class, after that second class, after that third class. Yes or no? Do you study directly 10th class? Will you study directly 10th class?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So same rule. Here also we follow the same procedure. Here we are not taking the first table. It is not a prime number. Do you remember that one? One is neither prime nor composite number. Yes or no? The number 1
Yes,
is
sir.
neither prime number nor composite number. So we start with the 2 table. So 2 table divides these 3 numbers. So 2 5 times, 15 times, 25 times. Okay, my children? Right. Next to prime numbers. What is the next prime number?
So 5.
Here 2 divides these 3 numbers. Any number. 2 divides any number.
No, sir.
No. Then what is the next number? Next prime number?
So 3 is also not divisible, sir.
Yes. 3 table. We should take 3 table. Don't jump into the 5 table. Please remember this point, my children. We take 3 table only, not directly 5 table. Okay. So because 3 divides is a middle number, 15, 3 5s, yes or no? So we can choose this number here. So we write 5 as it is. 5 as it is. Here 3 5 times. Here okay. Got this point. Next table. What is the next table? Next prime number?
The
So
next
five.
is 5.
Here 3 does not divide. Here 3 does not divide any number. 3 does not divide any number. So we go to the next prime number. Next prime number is 5. 5 table. Okay. 5 table divides here 1, 1, 5 times. Okay, my children. Again here only one number is left here 5. So we can take directly 5 table. Here 1, we carry down these numbers as it is. Okay, my dear children. Understood these steps?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now we multiply all these numbers which are written left side. So LCM of 10, 30 and 50 is equal to 2 into 3 into 5 into 5. Multiply these numbers, my children. Multiply all these numbers. What will you get here?
Sir,
2
150.
into 3 is
150.
Yes, 150. Okay. This is a procedure to find LCM. Again and again, I'm telling you, don't go to the bigger number directly. When you are finding LCM, don't go to the bigger table directly. Step by step only. 2 table. If it is not possible, we go to the next prime number 3 table. If it is also not possible, if 3 table does not divide any number, then we go to the next prime number, that is 5 table. Do you remember these steps, my dear children? Do you remember this procedure? When you
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Don't go to the 10 table direct. Of course, 10 divides 10, 30 and 50. We should not take like that. We should not follow that procedure. Okay. This is a correct procedure. Don't to take directly 10 1 times, 10 3 times, 10 5 times like this. Got this point, my dear children? Now,
Yes, sir.
yes. Brackets, removing a brackets. Simplify. Simplify. See here 3 into 5 plus minus 3 plus 4. Here brackets are used here. How do you simplify this mathematical expression? First of all, we have to simplify these 3 numbers which are written. What are these brackets called? Can you tell me? What are
So
these?
square brackets.
square brackets.
Square brackets. In these square brackets, 3 numbers are written. 3 numbers are connected with a plus sign. So first we simplify these 3 numbers which are written in the square brackets. So 3 into, so 5 plus into minus, what will you get? Minus. Here small bracket is there. I told you previously, please remember this point. Bracket means into. Bracket means into. Bracket means
Into.
what does it mean? Bracket means
Into.
Sir, in
remember this point. That is why I'm repeating this point again and again. Bracket means into. Remember this one. So plus into minus, minus. We get 3, minus 3. Finally, we get minus 3 plus 4. So first we simplify these 3 numbers in the brackets by taking this plus and minus box. Plus and minus box. Okay. Here plus first number is a 5 plus number. Second number is minus number. So minus box. Don't write minus 3. Previously I told you. Here plus 4. We should write that number in the plus box. So we should simplify these numbers which are written under the plus box. What will you get here? Under the plus box, what will you get? After simplifying these numbers,
9.
Sir, 9, sir.
here in the minus box, only one number is there. We carried down that number as it is. We carried down that number as it is. After getting this step, what should we do here? Previously, I told you. What is the rule?
We need to subtract.
We have to subtract smaller number from the bigger number. Remember this formula. As a formula, remember this point. So we have to subtract a smaller number from the bigger number. If you have compared these two numbers, smaller number is 3. So we should write this smaller number right below the bigger number. Okay. Now subtract, not addition, not multiplication, not division. Only we use here operation subtraction. So 6. Finally, what you got here? Plus 6. Yes or no? Plus 6. No need to write separately plus 6. 6 also denotes plus 6 only. Now multiply. How do you multiply?
The answer is 18.
18. Very good, Sri Darshan. 3 6 are 18. Like this, questions will be asked you to remove the brackets, but they don't to tell you. They don't give the hint. They don't give the hint to remove the brackets like this. Just where they will give like this. A question will be given like this. Suppose simplify. Can you do this question, my dear children? 4 divided by
Yes, sir.
14 divided by 2. Can you tell me the answer? The same rule. Follow the same rule. First of all, simplify the numbers which are written in the square brackets.
Sir, 4 by 7.
Very good, Bibina. 4 by 7. Very good. Tushar? Tushar?
Yes, sir.
Are you doing this one? Are you simplifying this number?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Shanti?
So 4 by
Shanti.
7.
Very good. Very good. See here, one more time I am explaining you. 4 divided by in this brackets 14 divided by 2 is there. 14 divided by 2 means 14 by 2. We write this mathematical expression as a fraction, numerator by denominator. 2 1 times through 7 times. So finally we got 7 by 1 means 7 only. Previously I told you if the denominator is 1, sometimes we can eliminate. We don't write 1 as denominator. And sometimes we write 1 as denominator according to the context, according to the requirement. So here I'm not writing 1 as denominator. 4 divided by 7. 4 by 7, that's all. Okay. Simplify 4 divided by 14. Now tell me the answer. Simplify 4 divided by, I have taken the same numbers. See here 4, 14, 2. But position of the square brackets changed here.
The answer is 7.
So 7.
7.
Yes, sir.
No. Once check.
Sir, 7 by 2.
Once check, my dear children. Once check.
Sir, 1/7.
Yes, very good, Sridarshan.
Sir, 14 by 8, sir. Sir, I need to simplify it.
Bibina. Once simplify.
So the answer is 14 by 8.
14.
By 8, sir.
Not, Amma. Not, my dear Shanti. Okay. Shanti, okay. Once check, Bibina, check your answer. See here, 4 divided by 14 divided by 2. What I told, what is the rule here to be followed? You have to simplify these two numbers.
Sir, when
What
we
we
simplify
get here?
4 divided by 14, we'll get 2 divided by 7.
4 by 14 divided by 2. Let us write these two numbers in the form of a fraction. Divided by 2. 2 1 times, 2 2 times, 2 7 times. Are you watching this screen, my dear children?
Yes, sir.
So 2 by 7, we got the first number is 2 by 7. After simplifying, 2 by 7 divided by 2. 2 by 7 divided by 2.
Sir, then we need to take reciprocal.
Yes. Previously, I told you we can write 1 as a denominator. Previously, I told you, according to the context, we can take 1 as denominator. So here I have taken 1 as denominator for the second number. Yes, very good, Bibina. So 2 by 7, we write the first fraction as it is. When you are dividing a fraction by another number, you follow these rules. Remember these rules. Instead of in bracket divided by symbol, keep here into symbol. Replace into symbol by divided by symbol. After that, we write the second fraction reciprocal. Here 2 by 1 is there. What is the reciprocal of
We need
2
to
by
write
1?
1 by 2.
1 by 2. Then it is easy. Here 2 1 times, 2 times, 2 1 times. Finally, what you get here? See here.
1 by 7.
In the previous question, we got 4 by 7 is the answer. Whereas here we got 1 by 7. Because of position of the brackets. We took the same numbers or not? Here 4, 14, 2. Here also I have taken the same numbers 4, 14, 2. But because of these square brackets, position of the square brackets were changed. That is why answer also changed. Understood this point, my children?
Yes, sir.
Got this point? All of you? Mahima? Nikita?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. This type of questions also will be asked you. But they won't give any hint. They won't give any hint to remove the brackets and simplify like this. You have to understand the question. You have to read the question well. Read the question number of times. Then you can understand the question. Not only one time. I will give you another question. Simplify. Will you simplify this mathematical expression, my dear children?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
answer is 6 by 5.
Once check, my dear Sri Darshan. Once again check your answer. See here. Okay. So 5 plus 7 divided by 20 by 3. What you told here?
Sir, 6 by 5.
6 by 5. One sec. One sec again. Again one more time. Check. Are you doing, Bibina? Tushar?
Yes, sir, doing, sir.
Tushar?
sir. Yes, sir.
Shanti?
Yes,
Shanti?
sir.
Yes. Srujana?
Sir, 18 by 5.
Not one more time, check your answer.
Sir, 5 by 6.
Not,
Answer 5 by 9.
not 5 by 9.
Sir, 9 by 5.
Very good. 9 by 5. 9 by 5 is the correct answer. See this screen, my dear children. Not Tushar, 0 by 5. Yes, 9 by 5. Tushar. Very good. Tushar. 9 by 5. See here, my dear children. All of you watch this screen. 5 plus 7 divided by 20 divided by 3. Previously, we have discussed this point. First, we have to simplify the numbers which are written in the brackets. So here, small brackets are given. Here also, small brackets are given. Within these small brackets, 2 numbers are given. Within these small brackets also, 2 numbers are given. Yes, Bibina, 9 by 5. So, what will you get after simplifying these 2 numbers in the first small brackets? 12. Yes or no? 5 plus 7. 5 plus, yes, very good. Shanti, very good. Shanti, 12. Yes or no? Very good. Nikita, 12. Divided by, here also let us simplify these 2 numbers. 20 divided by 3. How do you write? 20 by 3. That is, write this number as a fraction. 20 divided by 3 as a fraction. See here, my dear children, here 12. We can write it as 12 by 1. Previously, I told you. We replace divided by symbol by into symbol. We put into symbol in the place of divided by symbol. And after that, we write the second fraction reciprocal. We write the reciprocal of the second fraction. What is the reciprocal of the second fraction? 3 by 20. 3 by 20. Yes or no? Now, 4 table. 4 3 times. 4 5 times. Can we cancel it or not? Can we cancel?
No, sir, we can't cancel.
We can't, sir.
So, 3 into 3, we get 9 in the numerator. 3 into 3, 9. By 1 into 5, 5. This is the answer, 9 by 5. Okay, my dear children. This kind of questions also will be asked you in this PA1. We have to simplify mathematical expressions by removing the small brackets or square brackets. We have to simplify mathematical expressions with the brackets. In the last class of bridge course, we discussed this point also. Do you remember this point? Okay, my dear children.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now the time is 10 past 51 minutes. Now the time is 10 past 51 minutes. All of you leave the meeting. You can leave the meeting and prepare well. What are the points we have discussed here? Focus on these questions, these type of questions, not on the same questions, these type of questions. And what are the points we discussed in the bridge course? Learn well. Okay, my dear children. Now
Yes, sir.
take the rest. Take care of your health, my dear children. Stay at home. Okay, ma. Nikita. Nikita. See this. Suppose this number is given. A number is given. We have to check whether this number is divisible by 11 or not. Is this 15,347 divisible by 11 or not? Nikita asked a doubt. My dear children, if you want to listen, you can listen or you can leave the meeting. Okay, my dear children. She asked this question, divisibility rules, divisibility by 11. How can we check a number is divisible by 11 or not? Here I am explaining this question. What's Sridharshan? Do you want to say something?
No, sir.
See here, Nikita, are you watching? Nikita? Yes. 15,137. Okay. In this number, first we take first number, first digit, left the next digit, and take the next digit, and leave the next digit, and take the next digit. Like this. You can start from left side or from right side. Okay, Mahima? Okay. Understood this point? You can start with the left side or from right side. Okay. One digit after the another digit. Take the digits in the given number. Find the sum of the digits. Find the sum of the digits. What you got here? 11. Yes or no? Nikita? I have taken 1. I left this number 5. Again, I took this number 3. I left this number 4. Again, I took this number 7. Okay. Now, what are the numbers? What are the digits are left? Take the digits and add them. What you get here? Here, two digits are left, 5 and 4. What you get here? 9. Okay. This is the first step. You have to take the digits one after the another. We have to find the sum of the digits. After that, whatever the digits are left in the given number, you have to add the remaining digits, sum of the remaining digits. After that, you got two numbers. Yes or no? Here 11, here 9. Find the difference. Find the difference. What is the difference, Nikita?
So 2.
2. This number plays very important role. So this number 2 is a multiple of 11. Is number 2 multiple of 11, Nikita? Is this number divisible by 11? Is this number divisible by 11? Nikita? Nikita, are you listening? Nikita, is this number 2 divisible by 11? Can you divide number 2? Can you divide number 2 by 11? Can you divide number 2 by 11? Nikita? Nikita? Can you divide this number 11, this number 2 by 11? Okay, my children, Nikita left the meeting. Okay, you also leave the meeting. Take rest. Take care of your health, my children. What, my
Sir,
dear?
if only, sir, you took 5-digit number, but if only 3 digits are there, 3 or 4 digits
Thank
are
you,
there.
sir. Bye, sir.
We can take any number of digits. We can take any kind of digit.
Sir,
We
2.
can take any kind of number.
Okay, sir.
What, my dear Ganesh? Do you want to say something?
No, sir.
Okay, my dear
Sir, I
Ganesh.
have a doubt.
Okay, Shanti, ask your doubt. My dear Shanti.
Sir, if only 3 numbers are there, how to find whether it's divisible by 11?
Okay, good question. See this question. I am taking, tell me any number, 3-digit number, Shanti. Tell me
543, sir.
any. 543. Okay. What I said, okay, Bibina, I will take that number also, 919 also. I will check this number first. Okay. 543. It is a 3-digit number. What I said, first take any number, first starting from left side or right side. 5. Leave this number. Okay. Plus 3. What will you get here? 8. Yes or no? Shanti.
Yes, sir.
What is the digits left here?
4, 1 digit.
Only 1 digit. Write that digit as it is. Okay. Now find the difference of these two. What is the difference of these two numbers?
4, sir.
4. Is this number divisible by 11?
Yes, sir.
Is this number divisible by 11? Can you divide this number 4 by 11, Shanti?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Yes. So we
sir.
can't divide. Suppose if you take long division, 543. Let us take by division, whether you are getting remainder 0 or other than 0 as remainder. It's okay. 11 4 times 11 44. 11 4s are 44. What will you get here? 0 10 11 9s 99. What is the remainder? 4. Remainder is 4, not getting 0. It means we can't divide 543. This number is not divisible by 11. Got this point, my dear Shanti?
Yes, sir.
Now let us take another number. Bibina told 999. 999. What I said? First
Sir, add a number leaving the other number.
number, leave the
9
digit.
plus 9.
Digit, leave another digit. Okay, 9 plus 9. What will you get here? 18. 18. The digits which are left before, only 9. Okay, these are taken. 9, 9. We have added. This number is left. Write that number. What will you get here?
39.
Difference of these two numbers is 9. So this number not divisible by 11. Yes or no? Divide this
Yes,
result
sir.
number. Divide this resultant number by 11. Let us check by long division. Long division. 11 table. 11 9 times 99. Okay, we have carried down here. But this is not remainder. So we have to keep here 0. This is the remainder. Got this point, my dear children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You can take any number of digits in the given number. There may be 3
Sir, if
digits.
it is 2-digit number, then we should like directly divide and see, sir.
What?
Sir, if it is 2-digit number, we should directly divide with 11.
Directly divisible by, directly take the 11 table and check.
Okay, sir.
It is a 2-digit number. It is very easy to check by 11 table. 11 ones, 11 20, 2 is 22, 11 3 is 33, 11 9 is 99. It is easy
Okay,
to
sir.
check. If it is more than 2-digit number, in that case, we follow this rule.
Okay, sir. Fine.
Okay. Again, okay, my dear children. Now you can leave the
Sir, we
meeting.
can leave.
Thank you, sir.
Take rest. Again, shall we meet at 1 o'clock? 1:30?
Okay, sir.
If you
Okay,
have
sir.
any doubts, if you have any doubts in the meantime, if you have any doubts, please feel free to ask your doubts and get your doubts clarified. Okay, my dear children.
Yes, sir.
Now you can leave the meeting. Thank you, my dear Nikita.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Vincent. Thank you, Bibina. Thank you, Shanti.
Sir, when will be the next gym meet, sir?
Ma,
When will be the next gym meet, sir?
2 o'clock. At 2 o'clock, your PA1 exam will start. I will post the question paper in the Google Classroom at 1:55 p.m.
Okay, sir.
Okay, ma? Yes. Now you can leave. Take
Thank you,
rest.
sir.
Thank you,
Take
sir.
care of your health, my dear children. Prepare well. Wish
Thank
you
you,
all
sir.
the best. Okay, ma?
Okay,
Right.
sir.
Right.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma. Srijana.
Sir.
Yes, my dear. Janesh, do you want to say something?
Meeting.
Janesh.
Sir, after this, any meeting is there?
After that, if you have any doubts, then contact me by phone. Okay, my dear Janesh?
No meeting, sir, through Gmeet.
No meeting. Okay, no meeting. You prepare well. Wish you all the best. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay, Janesh.